Hi, my name is Q, and I like to play guitar. This is the sound of storytelling. Guitar solos, and really any solo with any instrument, is storytelling to me. And being a Jimi Hendrix head, well hey, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. I love the intensity, the passion, the technicality that comes with it. The scales, the riffs, the arpeggios, I'm here for it all. And I've always wanted to be that guy who could tell that story. The clip you're watching right now is me playing Voodoo Child's Slight Return by the Jimi Hendrix Experience. There was a time when I couldn't put two notes together, and here I am playing it. And how I got there is also a beautiful story. When I started out, I thought I was telling a story, but all I was doing was making noise. That all changed when I got serious, as most things do. I focused on songs and solos I liked and wanted to play. And while I got pretty good, I still didn't know what I was doing and what they were doing. But that all changed one day. One day I walked into Guitar Center determined to get better, ran into some people that worked there, asked some questions, and it led me to buying this book called the Guitar Grimoire book. That's probably one of the best purchases I've ever made to be a better musician. What I came to realize is I love the A minor scale. It is so beautiful and so symmetrical to the guitar, I can never wait to play it. Before long, I was a regular at open mics and jam sessions, as you're about to see in this next clip.
From the ashes in a road for the broken chain.
But I also like